Everyone loves a cold treat in the summer, but let's be real. Most home snow cone machines are loud junk that just crush ice into hard chunks. I wanted that fluffy, soft texture you actually get at the fair. So I grabbed the top 5 most popular models on the market and tested them out in my kitchen to see which one creates the perfect snow and which one is just a headache. Product number 1. Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A. Starting with the Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A, when I pulled this out of the box, I liked how simple the 3-piece design was to assemble. It feels sturdy enough for a plastic machine, and it's surprisingly compact, so it tucks right under my cabinets easily. It comes with these round ice molds, and I highly recommend using them. I tried it with regular cubes and it was okay, but using the frozen molds gave me that powdery, chewable snow that holds syrup perfectly. It's not whisper quiet, but for the price, it's a solid entry-level option. I made about 2 cones per ice block, which is great for small family movie nights. It's also super easy to wipe down when you're done. If you want a reliable machine that's easy to clean without overthinking it, this is a safe bet to start with. Product number 2, Nostalgia Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine. Then I moved on to the Nostalgia Retro Machine. I'll be honest, I mostly bought this for the look. That vintage red concession stand vibe looks awesome on the counter, but it's not just for show. The stainless steel blades actually chew through regular ice cubes pretty aggressively. It's got a safety switch built in, so I didn't worry about my fingers while pressing the lid down. The texture here is a bit crunchier, more like a classic gritty snow cone than fine shaved ice, but my kids didn't mind at all. It comes with a reusable cup, which is a nice touch, and it fits easily on a small side table. If you're hosting a barbecue or a birthday party and want something that doubles as a fun decoration while churning out treats, this nostalgia model is the way to go. Product number 3, Cuisinart Snow Cone Maker SCM10P1. Things got a bit more serious with the Cuisinart SCM10P1. This one feels a lot more like a standard kitchen appliance than a toy. What stood out to me immediately was the pull-out serving tray and the fold-down cone holders. It solves that annoying problem of where do I put this cone while I pour the syrup. It's fast too. I cranked out 4 cones in under a minute using regular ice cubes from my freezer. The interlock safety feature is great. The motor won't run unless everything is locked in, which gave me peace of mind. The ice texture is decent, sitting somewhere between fluffy and crunchy. It's BPA-free and really easy to wipe down since the tray pops out. If you want something that looks good sitting next to your blender and handles a crowd quickly, I'd grab the Cuisinart. Product number 4, Snowie Little Snowy Max. If you are obsessed with texture, you have to look at the Little Snowy Max. This thing is a beast. It's modeled after commercial shavers, and you can tell the second you turn it on. It rips through ice cubes straight from the freezer, no special molds needed, and fills a cup in about 5 seconds. The result? It was the closest to actual snow I got from any of these. It's incredibly fine and absorbs the flavor instantly. It's louder and definitely more expensive, but the heavy-duty motor feels like it'll last for years. It's visually sleek and doesn't look like a toy. It handles a lot of ice volume without overheating. If you're willing to spend the extra cash for that legitimate Hawaiian-style shaved ice quality at home, this is hands down the winner. Product number 5, Tyfer Fast Nugget Ice Maker. Finally, I wanted to switch gears. Maybe you don't want a snow cone, but you want that crunchy good ice for your sodas and cocktails. That's where the Tyfer Fast Nugget Ice Maker comes in. This isn't a shaver, it actually makes those chewable little pebbles from scratch. I was impressed by how fast it is. It started dropping fresh ice shortly after I turned it on. The self-cleaning pump is a huge bonus because cleaning ice makers is usually a massive pain. It sits nicely on the counter and runs pretty quietly at around 50 decibels. The stainless steel finish looks high-end, and the LED display makes it obvious when you need to add water. If you want that drive-through style nugget ice ready on demand for your daily drinks, skip the shaver and get this instead. So whether you want a cheap thrill for the kids, a pro-level shaver for yourself, or just better ice for your coffee, one of these will handle the job. I've dropped links to the exact models I tested in the description below so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.